So hello dear students, welcome to the new lecture of the course, and in this particular lecture we are going to see another format. Okay, in previous video what we saw was this. That means what we were doing, we were having exponential equation. In question we had exponential equation, and from this exponential equation we were converting this exponential equation, or we were going from exponential to logarithmic equation, correct? And now in this video what we are going to do, we are going to convert this logarithmic equation into exponential equation. Okay, the idea is same. I know that the idea is same, but still from my side I am taking this particular thing so that your concept would be crystal clear. Okay, so what we'll do, as we did in the earlier lecture as well, we'll capture this particular image and then we'll paste it in the next page so that it would be easy for us. Okay, na, it would be easy for us to get the clear cut equation. Control V, and yeah, now we'll move this particular equation somewhere over here. Yes, and let's take one example. I am not considering the earlier example because then you would be familiar with that, like 2 raised to 3 is equals to 8. So now you know the exact log value for it. So I'm not considering this particular equation. I know then you would give the answer very easily. Okay, I'm taking certain different set of equations. So let's suppose we have log to the base 2, and that is 16. Okay, so and it is equals to 4. So how you are going to write this particular equation in the exponential form? So as you can see, we have this particular equation. So first of all, as we do in as we did earlier, first of all we will see we have base, that is a is equals to 2. Fine. Then we have m is equals to 16. Good. And then we have uh, yes, x is equals to 4. So this is what we can see by from both of this particular equation. So what we can do now, we will just adjust this 2 over here and this 4. As you can see, this is in the exponent form with respect to 2. Okay, or this is like 2 raised to 4. As you can see, since our a is 2, so how we are going to write this, that is, see, in this way, 2 raised to 4, which is equals to 16. So this is your exponential form. I hope you are getting me. See, this was the question. I will write over here, this was the very first question which was given to us. Log to the base 2 is log to the base 2 and 16 is equals to 4. So how you wrote it, you just took this 2 out of this logarithm. Okay, out of this base of the log, and then you moved this 2 over here. As you can see over here, this a, it was over here, and then you took a over here, and in our case a is 2. Okay, and then you raised x, which was over here, it got raised to the base, sorry, to a. That means what? 2 raised to 4, which is equals to 16, and we all know this is the exponential form. So this is the exponential form and this is the logarithmic form. Okay, so I hope you understood this particular numerical. The idea is same. We extremely sorry for this. In the earlier video we were going from exponential to logarithm. Now we are going from logarithm to exponential. Okay, now we will consider the another numerical. Okay, let's suppose this is that particular numerical, and now I'm intentionally not taking that particular formula. So this would be the last numerical, because up till now we had solved hefty amount of numericals related to exponential and logarithm. Okay, so this would be the last numerical, log to the base 9. Okay, and that is 3, which is equals to half. Okay, so as we all know, here a is 9. Okay, oh, just a second. Yeah, a is 9. Okay, m is 3, and x is half. So we all know that a raised to x is equals to m. A raised to x is equals to m. So we have to write this particular equation in this format. So it would be, here a is 9. So 9 raised to x is half. X is half, which is equals to 3, and it is absolutely valid. Okay, na? It is absolutely valid because root of 9 is 3. and this is what it means. Okay, so I really hope that you understood this particular thing. Okay, so again I'm doing a quick revision before starting of this lecture. What I told you in the previous lecture, we did this, and in this particular lecture we did this. That means in the previous video or the previous session, we were converting the exponential form into logarithmic one, and here the logarithmic equation, it is getting converted into exponential form. So as you can see over here, this was the very first numerical. Log to the base 2 16 is equals to 4. That means log 16 to the base 2 is equals to 4. So we write we just took out the values of a, m and x, and then what we saw, a raised to x is equals to m. So based on this particular equation, we adjusted this one, 2 raised to 4 is equals to 16. Similarly over here, what we did, this was the very second numerical. Okay, what we saw over here, log 3 to the base 9, actually it is read in this way, log 3 to the base 9, okay, is equals to half. So what we did, again we calculated the value of a, m and x, and based on that, based on this particular equation, we wrote this one, 9 raised to half is equals to 3. Okay, so I really hope that you understood this particular video, and after this particular video I'm also embedding one MCQ for you all guys, okay, which will give you a clear cut idea about this particular thing. Okay, so thank you for listening me patiently. I'm ending this video over here. Thank you.